Alright everybody, so before you start anything, we need to ensure that you have the latest edition of the software Blender. So download the Blender at 2.92 online and just check if you have the latest version. Hello everybody, so welcome to Adnan's Corner. Okay, so what we are doing, we are making a nice loop here. You can see this one. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you three parts, something very simple, something a little bit advanced, and this one is the third part. So I will make a new file. Okay, just don't save, it's okay. So what we do, we delete everything. This is just a tip, and if you're making a bathroom series like the one you might have seen in my channel, you will see there are a lot of plumbing that you need. I didn't know about this option. I just found out from somebody, so you can use this to add a nice beautiful features in your thing. You can do this if you go in the like a factory setting. If you make a scene that has a lot of pipes and the steam coming out or something like that, those Nightmare on Elm Street, if you make that kind of horror scene, you still need this technique to make pipes. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so let's go with this, and then we will select this part and we'll bring the cursor here. So we will select this part whole and we will use the spin tool. So we will be doing from Y to X. Okay, so instead of so many, we'll just put 6. Okay, so once we do that, you will see it's a basic one option. Okay, and you're pretty much done, and then you will extrude and your pipe is ready. If you see this one in the object mode, it's a basic pipe. It can be like if you're making a house with a chimney or something on the top, you can use this. Now let's delete this one. We'll put another option. Okay, so we will do another cylinder. Please forgive me, I sometimes forget. So we will add the cylinder here, edit mode, and the same thing, we will select this one and we will bring our cursor to the selected. Okay, so in this one we will be doing instead of so many videos, we will do a basic one. Okay, so but before you select everything, you just go transparent and then select all the vertices. Okay, so just a minute, before we go, we'll just go extrude, a little bit expanded size, extrude again, and then extrude again, and then just a minute. So before you do extrude, I'll show you that this part, these lines should be on top of this. So when we are reducing the size, you can see it's going down closer to each other and should be parallel to each other. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much you're done, and then you will extrude again. Okay, yeah, so we're pretty much done, and then you'll bring our cursor to the selected area and select the whole thing, and then we will do the spin tool. So we need to have maybe 12. Okay, you have more steps. Okay, so before you do, you get this one. Okay, and you're done. So you'll be extruding again a little bit. Okay, extrude sides. It's a little bit tricky, but it's okay. Extrude, So again in this one we have to be bringing the sides on top of each other, so we'll do the sides. Okay, so it will look normal, and then we will extrude. So go on the object mode and your pipe is done. This looks okay-ish, this is fine. It's good for electric, if you've seen in some scenes where there's electric wire, those pipes that bring electric wires, it's okay, because some people like to make it classical. So anyhow, so we'll go in another scene. I'll delete this one. Okay, bring this cursor to the origin. Okay, and then you will add another, and this is the advanced one. So tab, there's a transparent. Okay, so just select this one and bring our cursor to the selected. Okay, and before you do the spin option, just select this one. Okay, just hold on a minute. We will increase the size. Okay, so this is much you're going to be doing. Extrude. Okay, so I have made a little bit error here on the edge. Grab Z, and a little bit thicker. Okay, this one we will select this, and we will bring the cursor to the selected. This is the part where you're going to be working to make that loop with the curve I'm talking about. So just you can do as much as you want. It's up to you. There's nothing to do with let's make it 90 degrees. Okay, so this is pretty much. And now we will get rid of this option. Okay, just select this part. Again, the same option we will be using to select the whole edge is Shift Alt and press the next one. Okay, and then we will extrude. Okay, and extrude again. So this one we have to be very, very careful, because there is no perpendicular. Okay, so this is perpendicular, so you can't see how small it should be. Just like a basic idea, just make it small, little bit smaller, because we need that look. Okay, a little bit bigger. Yeah, this is fine. Now we will extrude again, and your pipe is ready. Okay, you can see this is quite nice. This looks quite like a pipe. Okay, so if you see from far, it's not looking that much of a difference. Okay, and this is actually good, because this looks more like a genuine pipe, and this is the advanced one. But the first two also, you can use it in very low poly scenes. Anyhow, so this is the basic idea about it, working to make that loop with the curve I'm talking about. So just you can do as much as you want. It's up to you. There's nothing to do with let's make it 90 degrees. Okay, so this is pretty much. And now we will get rid of this option. Okay, select this part. Again, the same option we will be using to select the whole edge is Shift Alt and press the next one. Okay, and then we will extrude. Okay, and extrude again. So this one we have to be very, very careful, because there is no perpendicular. Okay, so this is perpendicular, so you can't see how small it should be. Just like a basic idea, just make it small, little bit smaller, because we need that look. Okay, a little bit bigger. Yeah, this is fine. Now we will extrude again, and your pipe is ready. Okay, you can see this is quite nice. This looks quite like a pipe. Okay, so if you see from far, it's not looking that much of a difference. Okay, and this is actually good, because this looks more like a genuine pipe, and this is the advanced one, but the first two also you can use it in very low poly scenes. And anyhow, so this is the basic idea about it. So guys, just subscribe to my channel, and if you see this one, we have this option here, and in this one we will ensure that we keep the polys very normal here, not too many or not too small number. So this is basically 12, number 12. You can keep it 5, you can keep it 4. So when you keep it like number 4, then you add certain number of the so guys, just remember, when you are adding the number in the spin wheel option, so just ensure that you keep less than 10. That would be fine, because it's easier for you, because unnecessary loops are not very nice. So just ensure that you follow this, okay? And you know the rules, to like, subscribe and share. So please subscribe to my channel. You can also watch my bathroom scene, because you can use this tip in that, because there are a lot of loops in the taps, so you can use that. I didn't know about this option at that time, but now I know it. So you can use that also by watching that, and use this as a tip when you are designing a tap. So guys, this is pretty much, and let me know if you need something in the comments, okay? And please like and subscribe, and share the videos if you like, and it helps me a lot to gain subscribers, because I want to increase my channel, and this is just for fun. I'm not interested in making money. So thank you very much, and thank you for being here for till this time. Okay, thank you very much.